Do you want to show your product variants as different products on Shopify? Like for example right here, where I do have my running sweater, which is available in green and brown. And then after watching this tutorial and following my steps, this is going to look something like this, where you are going to have two different products depending on the color in this case. Of course, you can also change this depending on the variant which you want to display, but more on that later on. So let's get started by first of all accessing the Shopify dashboard. If you don't already have a Shopify store, I will leave you a link to the best free trial deal down below. Now once you are on the dashboard, head over to online store and then head over to themes right here. In this case, I'm going to actually edit this Dawn theme. Now before we are going to continue with this, make sure to actually make a copy. Otherwise, if you are going to make any mistakes along the way, you're going to start from zero again. So please make sure to actually make a copy. Once you've duplicated your theme, simply just click on the three dots, click on edit code, and then you can actually access the code editor. To now go along, actually just look for snippets on the left, and then you can find the snippets folder right here. Click on add a new snippet, and then access the Notion document in the link down below. Right here you can see that we will have to create a new snippet called card-variant.liquid. So I'm just going to copy this right here, and I'm then going to add this as a new snippet. Click on done and then simply just copy the code from right here. You can just click on copy and you can then simply insert this by using Command V or Control V if you are on Windows. Then simply just save this on the top right, and the next step is going to be, as you can see right here, to actually access the main collection product grid.liquid, and you can actually access this by simply just looking for it on the left. So just put in main minus collection product grid.liquid. This is going to be the correct one. So just find this exact document and then simply just copy card product right here, copy this, and then look for this inside here. So simply just find it by using Command F or Control F if you are on Windows. Yeah, right. Then click on next, and this is then going to actually redirect you onto this section right here, where you will actually have to select all of the Lee code, the Lee section right here, and then simply delete this, because we will have to actually replace this. Then head back to the Notion document and copy this code right here. Now this right here is important. By default, this is actually going to create new card products for the color variant. So you can see this right here. This is going to be based off the color. Now if you would want to change this, and if you would for example want to display different products based on the size or something else, then you will have to basically put in that variant right here. But I'm fine with color, so I'm just going to save this right now. And when we are now going to preview our store, and when we are now going to open up the catalog, we can see that this actually shows up as multiple products inside the store, and we can then still access all of them. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.